guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make hand soap slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make hand sanitizer. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make hand soap slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is hand soap, and I'm using all these ones I got from Walmart. These are like Halloween hand soaps, and I think they are just adorable. So I'm going to be using these ones. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in, and last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to take out my bowler plate, and I'm going to get adding in the hand soap, and there's like a piece of like old slime in there for some reason. And now I'm going to get out my hand soap, and I'm using this purple one first, and I'm just going to get putting it into there. And look at that pretty color. This takes so long, so I'm just going to like open it up and go like this. And I think I'll just make the purple one today for this video. And then all you're going to do is you're going to mix it up, and this is a 1 ingredient slime recipe, and look how thick this slime is. So that is enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 1 hour to 2 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take it out and mix it up and see how it's working. And I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours, and here it is, and you can see it's a little bit frozen at the bottom because I left it into the refrigerator for a bit longer, and for some reason it got a little icy. And I'm going to mix it up and see how it turned out. And oh my gosh, this recipe turned out really well. I can already tell. Mix it up for a little bit. Ooh, look at that. It made some really awesome slime. I'm sorry about my dog, you can hear her. It's super sticky, but it did make slime. But yeah, this is how the slime turned out. It turned out pretty awesome. It's a bit sticky, so I feel like I'm going to mix it up a little bit longer. And if you want to see the full results, it will be on my Instagram. All my social medias are linked down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some video ideas. Also remember to enter my giveaway. I said it in the past. Wait, some of my recent YouTube videos, I mentioned the giveaway, and it was my second recent YouTube video where I said it. Sorry, I can't speak today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I love you guys so much, and peace and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!